The Point Hill police in St. Catherine North Division are now searching for two men who they believe are responsible for the death of Omar Lennon, otherwise called Gogo. The 42-year-old farmer from Lookout Garden Hill in the parish was reportedly shot and killed early this morning on his way from a round robin. According to the police, about 1:30 a.m., Lennon accompanied a female to her home in the community when they were attacked by two armed men who robbed the female of a Samsung cell phone valued at $35,000 and $30,000 in cash. Lennon reportedly attempted to flee but was shot by the gunmen. Passers-by found his body about 7:40 a.m. and called the police. The St. Andrew North police are probing the fatal shooting of two bike operators along Reddills Road this morning. The men were gunned down about 12:30 a.m. They have been identified as 30-year-old Shavannah Shavi Palmer and 26-year-old Corey Twinney Hunter, both of Colbeck Avenue, Kingston 20 address. Both men, who are delivery riders, were reportedly sitting in the area after completing a job. The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC, says it has seized $1.4 million in counterfeit rum at a business establishment in St. Elizabeth. A businessman is facing several charges, including breaches of the Trademark and Consumer Protection Act, as he was taken into custody following the seizure. Other businesses in the Santa Cruz area were also raided, however no illegal goods were found. According to the Special Law Enforcement Branch, the sale of counterfeit rum poses a risk to consumers and could cause reputational damage to the trademark holder.